Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash on stuff that doesn't suck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mirrorless cameras, comparing the sassy Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the fabulous Fujifilm X-T30. Let's see which one comes out on top in this epic showdown. Spoiler alert. One of these cameras might just be the best thing since sliced bread, or at least better than that weird bread you bought last week that you're still trying to figure out what to do with. First up, let's talk about the price. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in at a sweet $799, while the Fujifilm X-T30 is strutting its stuff at $899. So if you're on a budget, you might want to consider the ZV-E10. Unless you have a secret money tree in your backyard. In that case, buy both. And let me borrow one. Overall, reviewers appreciate that the ZV-E10 offers great value for its price, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers. Now, let's get serious and talk about image quality. The ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 megapixels APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, which is just a fancy way of saying it captures great images. But wait, the X-T30 is rocking Fujifilm's 4th generation X Trans CMOS 4 sensor designed to minimize noise, like that one friend who never shuts up during movie night. Reviewers rave about the X-T30's clear images and high-definition features, while the ZV-E10 is praised for its vibrant colors and good image quality. So if you want vibrant colors and detail, the X-T30 might be your go-to. But if you're just trying to avoid blurry selfies at arm's length, the ZV-E10 has got your back. Moving on to video capabilities, the ZV-E10 records 4K video oversampled from 6K. That's like taking a gourmet meal and serving it on a golden platter. Meanwhile, the X-T30 can also record 4K at 30 frames per second, but it adds a sprinkle of super slow motion with 240 FPS at 1080p. Reviewers highlight the ZV-E10's exceptional video quality, making it ideal for vloggers, while the X-T30 is noted for capturing detailed slow-motion shots. So if you want to capture that epic pancake flip in excruciating detail, the X-T30 is your camera. Next up, autofocus. The ZV-E10 has a neat product showcase setting that transitions focus from your face to an object. So if you're showcasing your new cat toy, the camera's got you covered. But if you're after lightning-fast autofocus, the X-T30A7's X Processor 4 can lock onto subjects in just 0.02 seconds. That's faster than my reflexes when I see a pizza. Reviewers appreciate the ZV-E10's fast autofocus performance, while the X-T30 is celebrated for its impressive subject tracking. Now, let's talk creative control. The X-T30 is all about that artistic flair, with 18 film simulation modes and customizable controls. It's like having a tiny film studio in your pocket. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 offers a background defocus button for those "look at me, I'm a professional photographer" moments. Reviewers highlight the X-T30's artistic features, while the ZV-E10 is praised for its ease of use, making it great for those who want to look good without the effort. Overall, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is favored by vloggers for its affordability, versatility, and exceptional video capabilities. In contrast, the Fujifilm X-T30 is recommended for its artistic features, image quality, and detailed video options. Both cameras have their strengths, catering to different types of users, making them popular choices among reviewers. So there you have it, folks. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is perfect for vloggers and those who love easy live streaming, while the Fujifilm X-T30 is for the creative spirits looking to capture every detail of their life, down to the last sprinkle of glitter on their crafts. Which one would I choose? Well, it depends on whether I'm feeling more like a YouTube star or an artsy hipster. But hey, that's just me. What about you? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an epic comparison that might just save your wallet from regret. Until next time, remember to buy smart and avoid buyer's remorse like it's a bad haircut.